We are demonstrating and showing you how to build a nightstand for your living room, bedroom, master room, where you need to have matching nightstands, furniture, and more. We're going to show you what this product is about. This is a nightstand from Build Home. It comes nicely packaged, and we're going to open it up, show you what you get inside. Everything's protected. We get a nice large instruction guide to go over, and we'll take everything out of the box. Everything is numbered for installation, and this is a navy blue. All your parts are labeled, as well as the hardware. The exploded view of your product, and the introduction on how to get started with the instructions. We're looking for 8 and 2B that go here with an optional Phillips screwdriver. Place on and screw gently down. A close-up look going on. In this step, we have hardware. We have here 4 A's, 2 C's, 2 D's. We have part number A, 6, 7, and 9. We're going to take the 2 dollies, place them in. We're going to place into these 2 holes the black by aligning like so, matching up. And we're going to take the nut, place in, press, and lock down, and repeat for the other side the same way. Remember, in each of the parts have numbers to remove the stickers. 6 and 7 mollies, place on. The 2 screws, lock down. Next step, H's. Look for the corresponding numbers and match up. These are marked CL, CR. The bars are with a curve. In this step, 3 and 4, 12 of F, and 2 pairs of H. Locate and match up to the 6 holes on each of the sides with the slotted back over here with holes 1, 2, 3, 4 locked down. Repeat for the other 3. And the opposite side, 1, 2, 3, 4. In this step, 8 number B's to each of the holes on each of the board. Place on, screw down. Repeat for the opposite side. In this step, we have 12 A's, dollies, 8 B's, nuts, number 6 with the back cardboard slot, 7, 3, 4, 2, join. With 2 mollies into the holes, match up. With the nut and opening, place on. Lock down. With 2 mollies, match to the holes. With the back opening to that opening, place on. with the nut facing down in the open, lock down. In the back upper, place 2 mollies, board number 2, to the holes, slide over and on, and the 2 nuts lock down. On board number 4, place all mollies in the opposite on. Rotate number 3 and the boards to the side. Rotate number 4, match up, squeeze together, and rotate, locking down with the nuts in the 4 holes. With board number 5, seam to the back, lift up, slide from the top down, and in with the hole facing to the top. In this step, board number 1, 4 number B's into the holes. In this step, 4 A's and 4 C's place in on the inner holes and over the inner holes, your nuts. Rotate around with the hole to the back, matching slot, and on. Our demonstration purposes, showing you from this angle, placing in the nuts and locking down. In part E, a combination stopper and screw, place on with the edge in the back, 3 on the bottom, 2 to the side, 3 on top. In the next step, 8B, 2 F's, 4 screws, 2 I's, place on to each of the holes, start to lock down. Put the handle over the leading edge on both, lock down. In this step, with 10, 11, 12, place on, slide down. Repeat for the other shelf. In this step, with 8 C's and 14s, simply slide on with the nuts to the side on all 4, lock down. In this step, number H and F's, 12, DL to the side, DR to the other side, to the 3rd hole, 1, 2, 3. Place screws, lock down. 4 screws per shelf, 2 is an option for center extra support. Repeat for the other shelf. With the plug to the back, remove tie wrap, place in through top and back. Our demonstrations, we rotate down, slide in with 2 F's, lock down. With the shelf, lift up, tilt, lock in. The 2 drawers to remove is easy to remove by lifting out. Placing back on the drawers is aligning to the holes and locking in. The height of the unit is 24.5, outer 19.5 by inside 16.5. Each of the drawers interiors is 14.5 by 11.5, and the height of 5.5, and the side shelves 4 inches in depth. The top shelf opening is 5 inches in height by 16.5, and in depth 14.25. The unit, living rooms, perfect spot. Blue for the wall, brown top, with drawers to put anything imaginable inside. AC, 5-volt power station that you could have light by the side, charge your phone by plugging in, and you have a shelf to put books, laptops, many other things. Inside shelves for accessories and storage. 2 shelves. It is a nice top. The top is a rustic wood grain finish with metal around the edgings. A navy blue with ridges and design with metal drawer handles. The drawers open up with whale casters of plastic. It's made with metal, wood, AC. I hope this is a product that you are looking for in a nightstand for your furniture needs. Thank you for viewing.